Hello guys, in this video I will share how I started learning Japanese as a complete beginner. I have been studying Japanese for over 1.5 years now. I decided to learn Japanese during the COVID-19 pandemic. I didn't want to join a language school immediately, so I started studying by myself at home. I hope this video helps motivate you guys out there who wants to learn Japanese or any other language. So without further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, I started learning hiragana from Japanese calligrapher Takumi channel. I'll put the channel link in the description down below, so make sure to check out his channel even if you're not learning Japanese, cause his handwriting is just so beautiful. Write down the alphabets just like in the video and pronounce at the same time. Ma. I tried to mimic how he was pronouncing, and when I write it, I also try to pronounce it at the same time, and I write them over and over again until I'm confident enough. Make sure to pronounce the alphabets while you are writing at the same time. It will make you remember the alphabets much quicker and much easier. I was working at a company where I had 2 day shifts and night shifts, and I had 4 off days. So you could say I had pretty much free time out of office. To be honest, I just started learning Japanese as something fun and something to pass time during the COVID. I didn't know I'd become so enthusiastic about learning Japanese back then, but here I am. Whether you're starting out on a new project or you just started learning something, it's really important that you stay consistent and make sure that you don't give up no matter what. The higher our goals are, the quicker we get disappointed when we can achieve it in a short amount of time. The key to mastering a language is being consistent on a daily basis. So set yourself a small goal, such as I will be able to read the phrases in hiragana and katakana smoothly in 1 month. You will see it's much easier to achieve this rather than saying, I want to be fluent in 6 months. As for learning the basic grammar and vocabulary, I signed up on Japanesepod 101 and started doing 2 lessons a day. You only need a Gmail to sign up, and you can get tons of free lessons for beginner courses. I completed the beginner course in about 3 months. As you can see, they have kana, kanji, and romanji for every lesson. So I first listened to the audio, then read the dialogue in kana. Then I checked the romanji for the words I couldn't pronounce. I was learning hiragana and katakana at the same time. A lot of the time I forgot how to pronounce the hiragana and katakana. So doing these lessons on Japanesepod 101 with kana and romanji dialogue helped me remember the alphabets a lot. After checking the vocab and grammar, I replay the dialogue, and this time I repeat after them. There were times I couldn't pronounce the words or phrases smoothly. For that, I repeat the words out loud until I can say them comfortably. Make sure to take notes because it's really important and help you learn effectively in the long run. Remember that learning a language is a marathon and not a sprint. I did not mention the kanji here because I only started learning kanji after about 2 months of self-studying. So that's it guys, that's how I started self-studying Japanese 1.5 years ago. I'll make another video for how I started self-studying kanji. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first time making this vlog. I want to thank all of you who watched this till the end. Whatever you are learning right now or whatever you want to achieve, I hope that you can achieve your dreams and your goals one day.